In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable personalized ads on your Google app or your Google Chrome app on your smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do if you're on a phone is just swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button and then select your user icon up at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on that. If you are on a desktop, you can just select your Google account icon in the top right and then select manage your Google account, and then you'll be taken to a similar looking page here. And then you would select the data and privacy tab and then scroll down where it says personalized ads. You can choose whether the ads you see on Google services and partner sites are personalized. Go ahead and select where it says My Ad Center. And where it says personalized ads up in the top, click on the drop down and you want to turn it on or turn it off just by selecting those two options, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.